Hey guys, Tom Eckers at MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. We're really excited about this 2016 Boston Whaler Vantage 230. Just came in on trade. We'd love for you to come take a peek at it. This one in particular, we're going to walk through it. Has a 300 horsepower Mercury engine off the back. Plenty of power for this Boston Whaler. Boston Whaler, obviously a great boat. They are known as the unsinkable boat. And you're going to notice quality everywhere you look in this boat. So as you come in, a bunch of different seating options are available with this seat right here. You can lay it down with a full sun pad. Obviously we just had it sitting up for 2 seats. The back seat here, you can tuck this away if you want. Otherwise that can be out. Again, more people, more fun just hanging out on the boat. A little bit of a sink here. You've got the driver's spot area, the helm if you will. And next to the helm on the Vantage 230, got a nice roomy head. There's a sink in there. Great for spending the whole day on the water. The bow of the Vantage 230, very big, very spacious. Plenty of room for guests, plenty of room for family and friends. You're gonna love having this boat on the water. You're gonna love having this boat at your dock. If you have any questions about this boat, by all means, come in and ask for myself. My name is Tom Eckers. Ask for any of the other sales associates. They're gonna be able to take care of you. Again, MarineMax Minnesota is where you'll find this boat. As always, hit that like and subscribe button. More videos come online daily.